guys, and welcome back to another Tuesday 2-minute tutorials. Today is all going to be about how you can change the eye colour in Photoshop. And I'm going to start right now. Right guys, so the first thing we want to do is choose a photo, and today I'm going to be choosing this photo which I got off of unsplash.com, and the link will be in the description. So what we're going to do is go down to our adjustment layers icon in the bottom right hand corner, and we're going to go all the way at the top to where you can see it says solid colour. Then what you want to do is choose a colour of your choice. So today I'm going to be choosing a nice kind of pastel-y green, and we'll select it like so and just press OK. Now what we want to do is change the blending mode of this from normal to colour. So we're going to go to our blending mode options, which is found next to opacity here, where you can see it says normal. We'll click and we'll go all the way down to where you can see it says colour. Brilliant, so we'll select that, but as you can see it's coloured the entire image and we just want to select the eye. So we're going to go to our layer mask thumbnail, which is found next to here, and what we want to do is press Command I. And that will convert it from white to black to make it completely invisible. And now what you can do guys is zoom into where you can see the pupil, and all you want to do is make sure we've got white chosen as our foreground colour, and you just want to start painting in to where you can see where the iris is, and this is where the colour will change. And as you can see, it's changed the colour of the eye really nice. And there we go guys, so that is how you can change the colour of an eye in Photoshop.